Imagine this. Two Indians raised in Hindi-speaking homes meet at a cafe in Delhi. Both are fluent in Hindi, yet their conversation goes like this. Hey bro, long time no see. Yeah man, been super busy with work. By the way, did you check out the new Netflix series? Dude, it's insane. भाई हिंदी बोल लो, कोई टैक्स नहीं लगेगा. It's one of India's funniest ironies. Two people who can speak Hindi choose to speak English instead. But why? Is it a habit? A status symbol? A subconscious fear of sounding too local? Let's get to know this delightful contradiction. Number 1. Because English equals to high status. The British may have left India in 1947, but their legacy lives on in our obsession with English. The equation is simple. Speaking Hindi, you're just another regular person. Speaking English, wow, you must be educated, upper class, and possibly own an iPhone. Somehow, we have convinced ourselves that English is not just a language, it's a lifestyle. The more fluent you sound, the more respect you command. Whether or not you actually know what you're talking about is secondary. If a waiter takes your order in Hindi, you might see someone reply in English just to assert dominance. Ek masala dosa dena? Sure, sir. Would you like that with extra ghee? Yeah. Please make it extra crispy. Congratulations! You just added zero value to the conversation, but successfully signaled your elite status. Number 2. Because our schools trained us to fear Hindi. Remember those English medium schools where speaking Hindi was a punishable offense? If you dared to say, "Mujhe water chahiye," the teacher would give you a death stare and say, "Speak in English or get out." As kids, we were programmed to believe that Hindi was a lesser language. The trauma was real. English was for the smart, successful students. Hindi was for the backbenchers who failed their exams. Years later, that conditioning remains. We hesitate to speak Hindi in professional spaces, thinking it makes us sound less educated. Ironically, some of the most respected intellectuals in the country, scientists, historians, poets, speak flawless Hindi. But no, we would rather struggle with broken English than confidently speak our mother tongue. Number 3. Because workplaces have an only English policy, even when it's unnecessary. Step into any corporate office, and you'll see this phenomenon in full swing. Two colleagues, both native Hindi speakers, talking about something as basic as lunch, but in English. Hey, wanna grab something to eat? Yeah, let's check what's available in the cafeteria. Well, this is the same cafeteria where the menu is in Hindi. The cook speaks only Hindi, and the food itself is a proud product of Indian culture. Yet, the conversation remains in English because, well, professionalism. Even work emails are a master class in overcomplicating things. Instead of saying, "Mujhe kal tak report bhej dena," kindly share the required document at your earliest convenience. Instead of, "Meeting baad mein kar lein," can we reschedule the discussion to a later time? The fun part, many of us think in Hindi, but struggle to translate our thoughts into English before speaking. So, instead of confidently saying, "Mujhe ye report kal tak chahiye," we stammer our way through. I need this project by tomorrow, please. Wouldn't it be simpler to just speak in the language we are most comfortable with? Number 4. Because Bollywood and social media have messed up our language. Thanks to Bollywood dialogues and Instagram captions, we have birthed a new language, Hinglish. No one speaks pure Hindi anymore because that would be too much. Instead, we say, "Yaar, let's plan something this weekend." मतलब full मस्ती. Dude, that match was insane. वैसे कल के deliverables ready हैं? It's neither Hindi nor English. It's a Frankenstein monster of both. Even the movies that try to keep Hindi alive end up adding random English phrases to look cool. मैं तुमसे सच्चा प्यार करता हूँ because you are my true love. Sir, decide on one language, please. Number 5. Because we have tricked ourselves into thinking it's cool. Let's be honest. Many of us speak English not because we have to, but because it makes us feel cool. Even if the grammar is wrong, even if we struggle to find the right words, speaking English automatically makes us feel a little more important. Hindi, ये जगह बहुत सुंदर है. English. Oh wow, this place is so beautiful. Same meaning, but somehow the second one sounds more modern. Even our emotions have switched languages. If someone cracks a joke, instead of laughing and saying, "Bhai kamal ka tha," we say, "Dude, that was hilarious." If we are impressed by something, instead of saying, "Bahut badhiya," we say, "Bro, next level." It's almost as if our natural reactions have been colonized too. Number 6. Because we don't realize how absurd it looks. Imagine two French people in Paris talking to each other in English. Imagine two Chinese people in Beijing doing the same. Sounds weird, right? Now, imagine two Indians in India, both comfortable in Hindi, but speaking in English just to sound sophisticated. If Hindi were a person, it would be standing in a corner, sulking, saying, "मुझे प्यार तो करते हो, पर सबके सामने अपना नहीं बोलते." We are probably the only country where people apologize for speaking their own language. Oh sorry, Hindi में बोल दिया. Actually, I meant to say... No, my friend. No need to apologize for speaking the language you were born into. Final thoughts. Should we stop speaking English? Absolutely not. English is a useful language. It connects us to the world, gives us opportunities, and is an important skill. The problem isn't with English, it's with our attitude towards Hindi. The real question is, why are we embarrassed to speak our own language? Why do we feel the need to switch to English even when Hindi would be the more natural, comfortable choice? Maybe, just maybe, the real sign of intelligence isn't about speaking English. It's being confident in any language you speak, whether that's Hindi, English, Tamil, Bengali or Marathi. What matters is expressing yourself clearly, not impressing others with foreign words. So next time you catch yourself saying, "Let's have a quick discussion on this," just pause for a second and ask yourself, "भाई, ये बात तो हिंदी में भी हो सकती थी ना?"